I'm Sakshi from Color Canvas, and today I'm present at IPEX Art Gallery to witness Metamorphosis by Bharti Shah. Hello ma'am, welcome to Color Canvas.
Thank you.
So, everybody wants to know about you, so can you give your brief intro?
I was born in Mumbai, studied there, got married, and then I came to Ahmedabad. I'm an Ahmedabad-based artist. I started drawing and sketching in school, and then started oils and all. But then I was busy with my children. So when I used to paint on and off, one or two paintings a year. And then when both my girls went for further studies, both my daughters are doctors, by the way. When they went away, I took it up seriously, and I used to paint day and night. And then I started exhibiting my paintings, and slowly I developed a style of my own, which I didn't know was known as Cubism. But then once I was in London and I visited the Tate's Modern Art Gallery, and then I saw a whole department of similar paintings, this style was started by Pablo Picasso in 1907. So then I named the style of painting as Cubism, and I'm pushing it in India. This is not very common in India. So this is it is an abstract style of painting where maybe there is a figure and which is fragmented, made into pieces, cubes, and put together.
So, from raising your kids, then you had a gap in your artist
No,
journey.
there was never a gap. I always had one or two paintings on the table, always, for my office or gifting somebody or for my home. Always had, but then continuous, with an aim that I'll hold an exhibition next year. When didn't have a single painting, I said I have to have one. Then I started painting.
What was your first exhibition and how, your experience about it at the gallery?
It was a good experience. I had about 45 paintings. That was in about almost 20 years back. And I used to paint anything and everything. I used to make copies also. If I liked some painting of an old master, I would do it. But then I was advised by a very, very senior artist that you have it in you, but you develop your own style. I didn't understand what he was talking about, of course, because I had landscapes, I had portraits, I had flowers, I had everything in the gallery. But slowly, I just kept on painting, and slowly that style did come. So it's you have to, persevere, keep on doing something, whatever interests you. And then, khod te raho to sona to milega. It's like that.
Cubism and abstract is a wonderful combination, as we all know. And we can see your artworks are really amazing and beautiful. So, what would you love most? What inspired you most to go for this style? Because you said there were many styles you did.
Nothing inspired me. It just came from within. I would take up a knife or I would take up a brush and I would just start doing cubes. Nothing else came out. So I don't know. Nothing inspired. Just came from within.
How are you feeling about your exhibition in Delhi?
Lovely. I was waiting. I've been waiting for a very long time. Actually, this exhibition was supposed to be in last year, April. But because of COVID, kept on postponing 6 months. Finally, the day has come. Abhi bhi last week bhi mujhe lag raha tha ye cancel na ho.
Obviously, because the condition is not good across country.
Yeah, but the lockdown and all at home, it didn't make any difference to me because I was at my table regularly. मेरा स्टूडियो मेरे घर में है तो मैं तो पेंट करती रही, मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था कि बाहर नहीं जाना है या कुछ नहीं. ऐसे भी मुझे काम में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है घूमने से. तो सो आई स्पेंड दैट टाइम डूइंग माय वर्क. आई रियली एंजॉयड इट.
Because of your exhibition, we have the opportunity to visit gallery physically after lockdown.
Yeah, last December I had my Metamorphosis Part 2 in Ahmedabad. So people were scared and we were also scared कि कोई आएगा भी कि नहीं. But then it was done very well. 5-5, 10 जन आके देख के it was very well received because people did want to go out and visit these things जो एकदम बंद कर दी थी. So it was nice and it's nice being here.
What is your message to the youth who are aspiring artists?
बस sincerely काम करते रहो and don't think about making fast money. Just be at it. काम करते रहो, अच्छा result तो आना ही है. It will take time, but you will succeed if you work hard.
It's your 20 years journey as an artist. Metamorphosis is the title which you gave. So, what do you love most about this title?
Because see, I name the titles by at that time what I feel when I'm painting. I had past like my girls grew up. They studied, then they got married, and I became a grandmother. So different shades आते हैं ना, different. So I felt कि ये और एक मेरी life का एक और color है, एक और shade है मेरी life का. So that was my metamorphosis.
And your husband, Mr. Shah, is a strong support for you.
Absolutely. I just paint. He will even buy paints for me because I live out of the city. He'll buy paint, he'll buy canvases, he'll get all these framed, he'll book the gallery. He does everything.
You guys are perfect example of a strong couple.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, when इनका कोई होता है तो I'm there to support him. मेरा होता है तो ये करते हैं. That's how a couple should be.
Yeah, and it's beautiful to watch.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your and all the best for your exhibition.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
With very renowned artists of India, Padma Shri Shobana ma'am ji. Hello ma'am, welcome to Color Canvas.
Thank you very much indeed. And it's a wonderful exhibition and I'm so honored to be here this evening and enjoy the beautiful works of art of Bharti Shah. And I must say that I was quite taken in with her imagination, her creativity, all the colors, the use of colors, and her style. And it's a very, very speaking style.
So, Metamorphosis is the exhibition by Bharti Shah. She is a very renowned artist, Mumbai-based artist. So, I would like to know about your feelings about the title of this exhibition because Metamorphosis is indeed a great title.
I think it's a beautiful title because in a way it is also showing the metamorphosis of the artist who from self-creation has emerged, has bloomed, has changed her colors, has changed her persona and her identity to be able to express so vividly and beautifully. And also in terms of colors, I mean, when I see the different styles which are there, and the use of the medium also, I think it reflects the title of the show and of this whole mood of the evening. So both in her persona as an artist, in her thinking, as well as in her which is reflected in her works.
Shobana ma'am, as a young art enthusiast, I also love art. So I would like to know your message which you want to give to the youth, to our upcoming generations, to how they can lead their career in art.
Well, I would say that everyone is born with that spirit and spark of creativity within them. And we should not box it, into typified boxes of predetermined boxes. And so we should allow our creativity, imaginations to run free. and find our own calling. So I would tell the youngsters and everyone, as well as the other members of society, including, because there's no age bar or anything, that allow that creativity to flower. Because once you allow that creativity to flower, you are giving vent to your self-expression, and you will find greater inner happiness and peace. And through that also your medium of survival. Because once you're at peace within yourself, that is the first step to being a good citizen, a good and of being able to live this life. So, and that of course, then of course the economic factor comes in late. It slowly follows. It doesn't happen from day one. It happens slowly, it follows. But what it requires, even Lakshmi sees whether you're persevering. And Saraswati is there. So Saraswati also, so you have to persevere, dedicate, and allow, and then work hard. Because unless, in any medium that we take up, whether it is the medium of writing or reading or speaking or the forms of art, every medium requires a lot of hard work and dedication and depth.
Since your art journey is very long, I was not even born, I guess. So what came to your mind? Because at that time India was really different. There was very few. I can imagine there must be no platform for women artists. So how that happened?
Well, I think, if a person is determined, I must say that all doors get opened. And if I allow myself to be bogged down by what others say, then I will not be able to let my creativity or what I would like to do, I would be able to do it. So with the result, I feel that lots of us, in those eras, I'm talking about in those, 70 years ago, in those eras, we all knew our mind, and it was a young India, because India had just got its independence, and it was an India where there was a lot of things happening. Yes, the society was different, yet it is the same society which had put chains in terms of, because of predetermined mindsets, but it was the same society which hailed you when you sort of did something, and you were able to break out of that mental bondage yourself. So the main thing is your own inner determination to find the spirit. I see that there's the Kali over there. What is she depicting? Depicting inner strength. The horse over there, depicting inner strength. Everything. So in case, and the woman has it in abundance. And there is a Shakti. If a woman is Shakti, exactly, Shakti is there. You have Shakti all over. And if you give vent to that Shakti and recognize it and allow it, you can make your life as fragrant, as beautiful, as, let me say, as Sangeetmay as you want.
And there is one more question.
Yeah.
What is your message to Mrs. Bharti Shah? She is a wonderful artist, as we can all see. So your message to Mrs. Bharti Shah?
I would just say, keep it up. She's amazing. She is actually the true artist who is working from within. And it is that inner self of hers, her creativity which is propelling her. There is a certain hunger in her to share, to be able to express and share. Keep it up. I think it's wonderful. Keep up that originality, and it's wonderful indeed. And I look forward to seeing many more from you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Shobana ma'am, for giving us your time.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
Interviewing you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And you're a wonderful little girl also. What's your name?
Sakshi.
Sakshi.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you an artist too?
No, but I love art.
Okay, great.
As you say, everyone is an artist, born artist.
Absolutely.
I am an artist. I ask artists what they feel.
Absolutely.
So, I'm an artist.
Yes, you are. Because you have the eyes of an artist. Okay. So to be able to appreciate, that is also beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I'm Pradeep Sharma. Presently, I am working as an additional superintendent of the Harjil, Delhi. So we are in the field of the correction, reformation, rehabilitation, and reintegration. So we have done so many work in the field of art, reformation, skill development, educations. Secondly, I want to share one thing that in this independence I got President Award.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Because main reason is that we are thinking human being to the inmates. If anybody will think they are also the human being, then anybody can be reformed. Anybody can reform. This is very not a tough task. Or we have a big art gallery also. I am thankful to Bharti ma'am. She has made the beautiful and awesome pics, arts and the paintings here. Because I took a half round there, really. It's an amazing paintings. Similarly, we are also giving training to the inmates of our jail. In the art field, we are providing all the infrastructure to the inmates, and 3 years back we did 10 days art competition, art and culture and craft. We did it. The inmates of the different prison of the India came to Delhi, and they have made the beautiful paintings. Per here I am seeing totally different paintings. So I am thankful. I am lucky that I am here. I am also thankful to Bharti ma'am. She has invited me